Hello paintballers, DIYers, and shooting enthusiasts. Hammerman here, and I've got big news to share with everyone. But first, let me start with a story. About 4 or 5 years ago, my father introduced me to the sport of paintball. It came at a time when I was looking for something that was as physically demanding as other sports, but safer. Plus, woodsball adds a nice bit of cosplay to it, perfect for a theater kid like me. And I couldn't wait to play with a paintball shotgun. After years of shooting trap, I thought, what a great way of expanding my skill set. Only to come to realize that shotguns really didn't exist in paintball. That is to say, there's no marker that shoots a spread of paintballs. In a lot of ways, I was in disbelief that an individual nor a manufacturer would have resolved this by now. So, over the last 2 years, I've put my mind to filling this gap. And today, I'm pleased to premiere paintball's first paint spread shotgun. I'll get right into it, but before we do, I'd like to sincerely thank my best friend, Mr. Dark, for the years he's had to endure listening to me go on about this, my folks and family for their continued support, and the paintball and airsoft community. Together, everyone achieves more. Lots of issues to fix. I won't go into all the little mods and tweaks and retests that I had to do to get this shotgun operational, but I will say it's all ready. All it needs is to be taken to a field and battle tested. Now, let's see how it works. Very promising. I plan on taking it out to some mag-fed only games and seeing how she runs. Not a perfect system. I wouldn't recommend the JAG Scattergun. The internals need to be rethought, recast. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of time before it's as reliable as a Tipman, we'll say. I would be interested in working with a manufacturer to make this into a viable platform. Thanks so much for watching. More videos to come from last year's events and this year's paintball events for sure. Stay safe, paintballers, and we'll see you at the field.